Village leaders of Mukroh in the Jaintia Hills, accompanied by leaders of the Khasi Students Union, had intended to meet Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K Sangma to apprise him of new developments in the area following the recent firing by Assam police, leaving 5 people of Meghalaya dead and a few others injured. While speaking to reporters today, the General Secretary of the Khasi Students Union Central Executive Committee, Donald Thaba, informed that the delegation that was supposed to meet the Chief Minister had intended to discuss with him the dominant attitude of the Assam government upon residents of Mukroh village, wherein it was recently observed that a new well-furnished beat office with strong manpower had been reconstructed by the Assam police well within the residential area, thereby causing fear and insecurity amongst villagers in Mukroh.
The reason that we came here along with the leaders from Mukroh is that as we can understand that on the fateful day of the 22nd of November, 5 unarmed villagers were gunned down by the Assam police and the forest officials of Assam. And the main reason that that incident happened is because of the presence of the office of the beat officer of the Forest Department of Assam. It is there that those officials are there that they will detain any vehicles coming from Meghalaya, any person coming from Meghalaya. And there are reports also that people who go to the fields and who went to the forest to collect forest produce, they are being detained, they are being extorted. If they don't pay up, then they cannot return to their villages. So what had happened is that after the firing incident in the 20th of November of this year, we have observed that they have dismantled the public from Meghalaya side has dismantled this beat office. But then when we visited a few days back to Mukroh in the presence of the villagers, we observed that they have reconstructed that beat office, and this even more better than the last one, well furnished, and there are many officials out there. For the information of the public and the government, the beat office is present inside the territory of Mukroh village. It is well known in any Khasi village that if you want to do anything, if I want to construct a private residence of my own also, I will have to first seek permission from the village Durbar. But that is not the case with regards to Assam. What they are doing is that they just enter illegally, construct that beat office, and now they have posted a lot of officers out there. To get a better, a clearer picture and understanding is that the Meghalaya police are present near the residential area, but villagers, they do not work in the residential area. They will have to go to the jungle, they will have to go to their fields, and in between the residential area and the fields within the village of Mukroh, the Assam police personnel are there and the beat forest officials are there. So the objective of coming here is to appeal to the CM to persuade his Assam counterpart to immediately remove that beat office of the Forest Department of Assam, so as to remove any apprehension, any tension that has remained there.